Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting review. Today, we're diving into the world of the Toyota Yaris IA, a compact sedan that combines style, efficiency, and versatility. Produced from 2016 to 2018, this little gem is here to make a big impact. So, buckle up and join me as we explore what makes the Toyota Yaris IA a standout in its class. The Toyota Yaris IA brings a fresh and modern design to the compact sedan segment. Its sleek and aerodynamic profile, bold front grille, and expressive headlights create a striking first impression. Despite its compact size, the Yaris IA offers a surprising amount of interior space, making it perfect for urban adventures or daily commutes. Step inside, and you'll find a well-designed and comfortable interior that maximizes every inch of space. The seating is supportive, ensuring a pleasant driving experience even during long journeys. The dashboard layout is intuitive and user-friendly, with all the necessary controls within easy reach. The Yaris IA also surprises with its generous trunk space, allowing you to carry all your essentials with ease. Under the hood, the Yaris IA is equipped with the fuel-efficient 1.5-litre 4-cylinder engine. This engine delivers peppy acceleration and responsive performance, making it a joy to drive in both city traffic and on the open highway. The Yaris IA's nimble handling and smooth ride quality ensure a comfortable and confident driving experience. When it comes to features, the Yaris IA doesn't disappoint. It offers a host of modern amenities, including a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a rear-view camera. Safety is also a priority, with standard features like a low-speed pre-collision system and automatic emergency braking. The Yaris IA is proof that you don't have to compromise on technology and safety in a compact package. One of the standout aspects of the Yaris IA is its exceptional fuel efficiency. With its efficient engine and lightweight construction, it delivers impressive mileage, helping you save at the pump and reduce your carbon footprint. It's the perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers who value efficiency without sacrificing style and performance. The Toyota Yaris IA is a compact sedan that proves good things come in small packages. With its sleek design, comfortable interior, efficient performance, and modern features, it's a smart choice for urban dwellers and anyone seeking a practical yet stylish ride. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review.